Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to show you all how to use my business plan templates. For this example, for this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you step by step how to use my business plan templates, but specifically my restaurant business plan template. So without further ado, let's just dive right into it. Once the business plan template is purchased, what you'll be able to do is open up the Word document, and what you're going to see is you're going to see a similar format such as this. Like I said, the example is going to be for the restaurant business plan. So you'll see, right on the front page, you'll say restaurant business plan. On this section right here, all you do is just change restaurant business plan to whatever the name of your company, whatever your name of your company or your restaurant is going to be. Next, what we'll do, what you'll see on page 2 is going to be your executive summary. In the executive summary, this is just, pretty much, like I said, it's a basic plan template. Is going to cover your executive summary, your company description, industry analysis, SWOT analysis. And for each one of these sections, you can go ahead and you can modify this as well. The objective of this template here is for you to be able to complete it within 10 to 15 minutes. The third page is going to be your executive summary. For your executive summary, what you'll do is you'll go through it and you'll go ahead and change your name. So you'll put your company name here. If it's a limited liability company, put it here. Or if it's a corporation, sole proprietor, you'll put it right here. Your street, your city, whatever items you're going to sell will be right here. And then your business name will be right here. And then your hours of operation. Then your target market for each individual company or for industry, I'll have a different target market for the restaurant industry. The template is set at a 10 square mile radius of the location. You can change the mileage or you can even change the target markets, up to you. Financial highlights. I do include financial highlights that are typical for a company in each industry. For example, the restaurant industry, typical revenues are going to be about 800,000. It could be 600 to 800,000. So I put some typical numbers in there. This template does not let you calculate the financial projections. It gives you financial projections that are typical for the industry, but if you want to customize those, then you'd have to pick up my financial projection template, which is an additional price. Funding request, you go ahead and put your funding request, much of a dollar amount you're looking for here, what your terms are here, and what the interest rate range you're looking for here. The fourth page, you're going to go ahead again, you're going to update all your company information here. Then you're going to list your menu items. Don't go crazy. Don't go listing 15 or 20 or 30 different menu items or products or services you're going to sell. Keep it to about 4 or 5. Give the reader an idea of what you're going to be selling. Again, same information, your target market. Change that if you like or keep it as is. Completely up to you. Then we have it broken out again into your hours of operation. And then the location here, you can change your location to whatever your square footage is going to be. At that point, I kind of break the location square footage into percentages. And I say, for this example, 3/4 of the area will be used for front of the house operations and guest services. And the additional quarter will be used for back of the house operations. You can change the percentages and the square footage as much as you like. Business objectives. I kind of give you some general business objectives, kind of for the first 3 months, what you should be doing, 3 to 6 months, and break it out to 6 to 12 months. Industry analysis. For the restaurant industry, I do complete an industry analysis. The research that I've included here is from IBIS World. I do summarize the information, so they'll have an industry overview and also have revenues and growth for the industry as well. Next thing is going to be your SWOT analysis. Again, this is a generalized version of the SWOT analysis. Feel free to change any of the pieces of information in here. Then your organizational structure, I do put it as limited liability corporation. Most restaurants are, but you can go ahead and change that to sole proprietor or corporation. You would just change it at the yellow right there. And then I've listed some different job positions. You don't have to list all of your job positions, just some of the job positions like your CEO, manager, cook, server. Feel free to change those if you like, or just run with what we have. Your organizational structure chart, you can go ahead and change this. It's actually really simple to change. What you do is you click on the actual chart itself, then you go over here, you see that little arrow here? You're going to click on that, and then it's going to pop up, and then you're going to change it. So if you don't have a host or a hostess, you would just delete that. And what we'll have here is it's just deleted. So what we'll do here is just to fix this, we'll go ahead and tab there, and then tab here. And so now what we've done is we've just deleted that line item, and that's pretty much how you're going to update this organizational chart. Is really some it's a Microsoft product, so it's really simple to use. Next is going to be marketing. I give you some ideas for traditional marketing, internet marketing, and social media marketing. Kind of shows that you put some thought into the different channels of marketing that you may want to explore. And again, that's already filled out. You don't have to change anything if you don't want to. It's good the way it is, or you can add to it, or you can customize it. Feel free. Your funding request, again, you're going to change the dollar amount here, how much money you're looking for. Right here, you're going to put the terms. If you're looking for a loan, what's the range of the loan? And then right here, you're going to put the interest rates that you expect. And then the financial projections, I do give you a standard financial projections for profit and loss. You can change the numbers in here if you want, or you can leave it as is and just run with the numbers that I gave you. Or you can pick up our financial projection template that's for sale as well. That will allow you to change your product sold, your number of your employees, and so on and so forth. Once you make those changes, then the financials will be updated and you can put those into this template. And I believe that is everything. I do give you the first 12 months of profit and loss. So you'll have your month 1 through month 3, month 4 through 6, 7 through 9, and then you'll have 10 through 12. And then I sum it up into your pro forma income statement of years 1 through 5. So hopefully this information is helpful. And in order to purchase this template, this business plan template, just go over to my website, which is qualitybusinessplan.com, and click on business plan templates, or just type in qualitybusinessplan.com/business plan templates, and it'll bring you to this website right here. And then you can choose from the different types of templates that you want to buy. If you want to buy this template, you just click on the restaurant business plan template, and it'll take you to my payment page. You pay whatever the price is for the template, and then you can automatically download that template. If the template's not included in this list right here, then what you can do is you can send me an email right here to paulb@qualitybusinessplan.com, and what I can do is I can go ahead and create a template for you to use, usually within 24 hours. So hopefully this information is helpful, and please visit my website. And if you like the video, just give me a thumbs up. Thanks a lot.